Namaste, sister.
Sat Sahib.
May I know your name?
My name is Parmeet Kaur Chandog.
From where have you come, Parmeet ji?
I have come from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
What is your occupation?
I am a teacher in a CBSE school.
When did you come under the refugee of Saint Rampal ji?
I came under Saint Rampal Ji's shelter in 2013.
As you came under Saint Rampal ji's refugee in 2013, you would have been involved in some worship earlier too. What worship did you do before?
I have done lots of worship. I live in Maharashtra, so I worshipped all the gods and goddesses who are respected there since my childhood. When I was around 3 years in age, I was into worship which continued till I was 20 years in age. I worshipped many gods and goddesses, even went to the gurdwaras.
Had you taken initiation from many saint before coming under the refugee of Saint Rampal ji?
Sir, you have asked a very interesting question. I had taken initiation from many saints from all over the India like Asaram Maharaj, Sudhanshu Maharaj, Nirmala Devi, and from Kalki Foundation, which is situated in Chennai, I took initiation from Satpal Maharaj as well. And even from a saint in Maharashtra who makes people worship Gorakhnath. I even went to Jasweer Singh, who is also a saint. From renowned saints to not so famous ones, we went to each and took initiation from 9 to 8 saints.
After taking initiation from so many saints, you took initiation from Saint Rampal ji. Was there any reason why you took initiation from him? Because you were already doing worship by taking initiation from many saints.
There was a big reason behind it because my mother was suffering from ghost and evil spirits. This was done by one of my father's friend who wanted our business to go in loss. Due to this, my mother suffered to an extent that she was not able to cook food or do any other thing. She had become completely helpless. Then my father's business was completely ruined. Then somebody told us to go under the shelter of a guru. First, my father took us to Asaram Maharaj and our entire family took initiation from him. We did the worship told by him for 5 years. We did exactly as it was told but did not receive any benefit. My mother kept on suffering from ghost problems. My father's business kept on getting worse. I was in 8th standard and we were not able to bear the educational expenses. My brother's education expenses were also very high. We were not able to afford these expenses. Because of all these problems, we went to many saints. We did worship as told by Asaram Maharaj for 5 years, exactly how told. We faced endless troubles. Father's business was ruined. And my father went in search for another saint and took initiation from Satpal Maharaj and worshipped as he told us for 2 years. But all went in vain. I asked my father, why are we changing gurus? He told me that the real saint would be the one who will get us out of the pain and trouble. I felt quite angry on hearing this because my father was acting selfish. We need to change on worshipping. My father didn't stop even then and took us to Dhandhan Satguru. After worshipping according to them for 1 year, my father decided that he wouldn't do this worship. After that, in 2010, we went to Kalki Foundation in Chennai. With endless struggle and after spending so much money, we reached there. They told us to do many havans. In the beginning itself, we gave 20,000 for one havan. We gave them the asked amount and they said our problems will end, but it didn't happen. At that time, we requested them that my mother's health condition is very bad. We were not able to bear any suffering. Then they told us for another havan. Even the coconut they gave, it was for 2,000 rupees and we had to take that for buying the same. But we did every possible thing. After all that, too, the health of my mother kept on worsening. In all that process, I was in 10th standard, and the business of my father was completely shut. We were not getting relief from anywhere, so we started going to the Gurdwara because we didn't have any money to go to any saint. For visiting any saint's place, not just a travel expenses but other expenditure also had to be collected, because of which we were already under debt.
You took initiation from so many saints and worshipped as told. It is sad that it is important to make a guru, and worshipping is also important. You made guru and did worship too, but didn't receive any benefit. What was the reason that you didn't get any benefit even after doing worship?
Sir, this was a very sad part of our life. Every child in his childhood and in the initial 20 years of my life, I went to saints and did worship. My father used to take me along with him because my mother's health was not fine. I faced a lot at that time. I can't explain, but I practically experienced the behavior of these saints, that if a person is helpless, he is in a problem and he knows nothing about spiritual knowledge, the saints take benefit out of such a situation. Whatever way of worship they told, we did all that. If we did not have enough money, we took death and fulfilled their desire, whatever they asked. After we completely ran out of money, we went to the local saints who demanded a lesser amount, but all went in vain. Neither do they have the worship that can end our pain, nor do they know the spiritual knowledge that can cure bad karma or help humans out of misery. We went to so many saints. If any of them had true worship, we would not have felt the need to go to 7-8 of them.
Sister, you went to many saints. What was the reason that made you go to so many of them? What was the problem?
Because of the evil spirits my mother was suffering from, we had to go to so many saints. I went to Satpalji Maharaj and he gave me the mantra. Saint Rampalji has told the reality of that mantra. I did that mantra for 2 years. Saram Maharaj gave us Saraswati mantra in childhood. I chanted it for 5 years. The saint who took Gorakhnath as an idol, he gave me a chant consisting of 7 mantras, and I did it for 108 times a day. I stand as a live example in front of you all that I did so much worship as told by many gurus. Practically, I'm not saying a single fake thing, I'm telling you my experience. I spent 20 years of my life in worshipping as they told. I spent 2 years with them and did the worship they told me. I have experienced on my own. I even promoted those gurus in front of other people, but I myself didn't get any benefit.
Then how did all your problems come to an end? How were they cured?
When we went to Saint Rampalji's ashram and took initiation from him, my father asked my mother if she was feeling the same problem now also. She told that she is not facing any problem in the ashram and then we will check after we get home. She said if I wouldn't face any trouble after we reach home, then Saint Rampalji is God himself and the real guru, and we will worship him throughout our life. I thank Saint Rampalji as after that my mother has never suffered because of that problem. My mother has come with me and now you can see that she is alive. Else, if a person has ghost problems, it makes you suffer until death.
Namaste, Mother. Were you actually facing the problems that your daughter shared with us? Did you really visit every saint in India for your treatment?
Yes, I was suffering from ghost problems. Around 1 2 at 9, the spirits made me suffer by touching here and there. I felt extremely scared and spent sleepless nights. The spirits used to go inside me via my breaths and made my stomach ache as well, because of which I used to get up.
From how many saints did you take initiation for the treatment of your problem?
First, I went to Swami Haridas, who lives in Pune. Then somebody told me to go to Asharam Bapu, but I didn't get any relief. We then went to Sudhanshu Maharaj and then worshipped goddess Durga as told by Kalki Foundation, where a lot of money was demanded which we were not able to afford. Then also we did all that once. For a few days I got some relief, but then again that problem started. Then main problem was I was not able to sleep at night.
Then how did all your problems get resolved?
I saw the satsang of Saint Rampalji on the television, wherein I watched the interview of his disciples who told the benefits they received. After listening to those interviews, I thought my problems will also get resolved over here. I told my husband to call in the ashram, which was in Haryana. We called there and they told us to visit the ashram and take initiation. We then went to Haryana and they told us to take initiation. We took initiation from Saint Rampalji and I slept peacefully that night. I did not face any trouble. Then I thought that currently I am under the shelter of Saint Rampalji and he is himself present here. That is why I am getting relief, and at home I will have the problem again. We stayed in the ashram itself for 5 to 7 days to see if I feel okay. I didn't face any problem even after we came back home, and we did not have to give even a single penny there.
Earlier you were suffering and various saints told you different sorts of worship and demanding money for the same. So after you went under the refuge of Saint Rampalji, how many rituals did you do, and after spending how much amount were you able to get relief?
I didn't give a single penny over there. Everything was free. Only the mantras provided by Saint Rampalji was the reason behind the relief I got. When I stood in the queue for taking blessings from Saint Rampalji, though I didn't tell him that I have this problem, but Saint Rampalji is omniscient and he knows the suffering of every child of his. He gave me blessing and I was completely fine.
You took initiation from all the renowned saints, whose satsangs are frequently showcased on the television. They stand as representatives of so many people. But the ghost problems your mother was suffering from and other problems that you were facing were not getting treated by any of them. As soon as you took initiation from Saint Rampalji, all your sorrows vanished. What other relief did you get after coming under the refuge of Saint Rampalji?
Sir, just by taking initiation from Saint Rampalji, my husband's habit of intoxication was cured. I worshipped for 20 years with a thought that maybe I wouldn't face any problem after my marriage. I worshipped all gods and goddesses and gave everything as offering in temples. I also fasted for all days. But even after doing all that, I faced endless troubles after I got married. I told my father that my life getting worse day by day, and you said that I need to worship so that I can get benefits after my marriage. My husband used to drink a lot, which is why he had a number of accidents. His business went in completely loss, and I have 2 kids. We became homeless and had to sell our 4-wheeler. We had to live on rent. I thought that even after doing so much worship, it's hard to live such a sorrowful life. I completely stopped going to temples and I did not do any worship at that time. My father then told me to take initiation from Saint Rampal ji, and this is the last time he is telling me to go under the refuge of a saint. I agreed to take initiation from Saint Rampal ji. Within 6 months, my husband himself came and took initiation from Saint Rampal ji. Though I had never told Saint Rampal ji about my husband's addiction. After taking initiation, my husband got rid of his habit of consuming alcohol. After 1 year, I have my own flat in Mumbai. Today, I have a huge house because of Saint Rampal ji. And after 3 years, we have our own car. Our business of spare parts is also at its peak. Earlier, both my children used to get continuously ill and had to be hospitalized. Today, they are completely healthy, and after taking initiation, my husband never met with an accident. The biggest benefit is spiritual because I spent 20 years of my life since childhood in worship. I wanted God since the very beginning because I heard that human life is granted for attaining salvation. Saint Rampal ji granted me the true method of worship because any expectation and without demanding a single penny. Today, because of true worship, I have all the happiness that people aspire for. Today's young generation doesn't do worship, thinking that this time should be spent in business so that they get all facilities and luxuries. Today, with the correct way of worship as mentioned in Holy Gita, Holy Quran and Bible, I am getting so many benefits. Today, my business is at its highest peak, so much that I can plan a second house and investment. All this has been possible only because of Saint Rampal ji.
Sister, you were at a point where your life was about to end. You were not able to find even a single ray of hope. You went to every saint in India but didn't get any relief. After that, you came under the shelter of Saint Rampal ji and your life took a positive turn. Your mother got relief, you got a government job, your husband leaves alcohol addiction, and your life got full of happiness. Then, we see numerous cases being put on Saint Rampal ji and he was put behind the bars. How do you feel on seeing all this happening?
Sir, all this was absolutely wrong. Today I came before you only to tell the world that the saints under whose refuge you are, they do not have true worship with them, as I have self-experienced all that. Saint Rampal ji is the only one who is providing the true way of worship, taking our holy books and scriptures as the base, giving us all the knowledge that too without demanding a single penny. This is the main problem that other saints face because Saint Rampal ji provides everything free of cost, which is why they are scared because their businesses would collapse. They can't give us a single thing for free and demand money for doing a small job as well. They are not able to digest the fact that Saint Rampal ji is providing everything for free. I was myself a part of the incident that happened in 2014 in Barwala. I was myself a part of the protest because I wanted to spread the true spiritual knowledge provided by Saint Rampal ji. Saint Rampal ji's only mission is to give people correct scripture worship.
Thank you so much.
Sat Sahib.